Thank you, sir, for the permission you have given me to participate in the budget speech. I'll give a speech with special reference on conservation and environment and climate change. And of course, with special reference to the budget action plan. Thank you, sir. You have really cared for living and you have already started thinking. You have included the climate action plan in your budget. I appreciate you so much. And I am so concerned about the depletion of water. As you know, water is very precious. And when I see the sources of water everywhere, maybe the source of water, drawing water for the PHE, sources of drawing water for the irrigation or water resource department, they are getting depleted from year to year. In this context, sir, I want to say and I want to suggest that the department should identify the particular source of water so that appropriate action and conservation measures should be taken in time. Because in some cases in my constituency, sir, there are some water sources which the department has to change to resurvey to another source because of the existing sources get dried up. It is the call of the day and the duty of me and you if we think for the future generation. Because we understand the preciousness of water. It's only when the water dried up and the last tree is felled, we understand that we cannot eat money. It is therefore prudent that the concerned department should take note of this. An interdepartmental approach should be paid attention to all the different sources of water so that we can serve the water for the future use, both in drinking and in agricultural field activities. I'm afraid the time is running out. And let me speak on the budget session with reference to infrastructure for governance. Let me impress upon you, sir, that mawsynram CNRD block has been long waiting for the setting up of civil subdivision. As you know, under mawsynram constituency, different communities of people are living. Khasis, Garos, Hajong, Koch, Bengalis and others. We are facing so much of hardship and difficulties. And if the civil subdivision is set up by itself, it will take care and different action plan for the development of the constituency will be taken up. As you know, sir, that mawsynram constituency is globally known as the wettest place on earth. It is only when we set up the civil subdivision that all necessary action plan can be taken up for the flow of tourism industry in our constituency. Among the border blocks, Ranikor, Penusla and Sela, they have already obtained the administrative unit by getting civil subdivision. Whereas mawsynram, sir, it was the oldest block in Khasi Hills. It was established way back in 1962. Demands after demands we made for many years ago, but this could not be materialized. I therefore ask upon you, sir, that it is the leadership, the political leadership that can shape life, can transform life, and change life. I therefore, sir, I will not speak so much. I impress upon you to please take care and grant civil solution to my constituency, which is a long demand by the people of my constituency. Last but not the least, sir, let me touch on the agriculture sector. We have many schemes, mission schemes in agriculture and horticulture, but we lack of missionaries. We don't have enough missionaries. I mean to say that we don't have enough manpowers. I request and I appeal to the government to take care of the insufficient manpower in the department so that the implementation of different schemes, be it state schemes or central scheme or any other mission schemes, can be implemented in letter and spirit. So with these few words, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.